this video, we are going to see how to install serverless operator as a prerequisite for CP4S. So which is required to install CP4S with case installation, UI installation or air gap installation. So let's get started. So for this, first user has to log into OCP console and he has to navigate to operators, operator hub. Then type the serverless here in search filter. So it will show multiple results. So out of this, we have to select RedHat Openshift Serverless tile. So here click on install button. Let the update channel as a stable. Then installation mode is the default one, that is all namespace on the cluster, and approach strategy will be automatic. So with this, click on install button. So it will take few minutes to install serverless operator. So we can see the operator is installed. We can click on view operator to see the installation. So under native serving tab, there is no instance created. So to create the instance for native serving, click on this button, that is import YAML. So with this, native serving instances get created. You can see. So to check if instance is getting created successfully, we will need to check the status. So we will wait till this all status comes to true. Once this is true, that means the installation is successful and we are ready to go for CP4S installation. Yeah, the status is true for all conditions. That means serverless operator installation is completed successfully. Now we are ready for CP4S installation.